Welcome you all to MTech. Today we are going to learn how to make a bootable USB drive from Windows machine. For this we need a pen drive of at least 8 GB capacity, a program named Rufus, and Windows or Linux operating systems ISO file. First of all, we are going to download these two files, Rufus and Windows ISO file. So for this, open your internet browser and type download rufus, then press hit enter. Okay, select this first website appears in your internet browser. Scroll down and click here Rufus 3.11 portable file, then press hit download. Okay, this file was successfully downloaded, and now we are going to download Windows file. For this, type getintopc.com, then enter. Okay, go here in search bar and type Windows 10 Pro, then hit enter. Okay, scroll down below and select your suitable Windows 10 file. I am going to download this one. Then scroll down below and click on download button. After some seconds, the download will start automatically. Wait some time for the file to be downloaded. The speed of download may depend upon the speed of your internet connection. The download links for both 64-bit and 32-bit operating systems are given in the description below. I have already downloaded the file. Okay, go to your download folder and open Rufus. Now insert USB drive into your PC. USB drive is shown here. Now click on select and select this file and click on open. This is the partition scheme of our hard drive. To find out the partition scheme of your hard drive, go to desktop, then right click on PC, click on manage, then click on disk management, click on disk 0 and go to properties. Click on volumes. The partition type of hard drive is shown here. In my case it is GPT, that is guided partition table. So select GPT or MBR as per your partition scheme of hard drive and then click on start. Click on OK. Wait for some time for the completion of the task. Okay, our process was successfully completed. Simply close the Rufus and our pen drive was successfully prepared. Now you can use your USB drive as a bootable device. In the next video, we will learn how to install Windows on our PC by using bootable USB drive. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe and press on the bell icon.